identify the anatomic landmarks of the anterior chest wall. So this is your sternum at the midline. At this area, you have your sternal notch. And this is the head of the sternum. And as you go down, you can feel a slight depression. And that slight depression is the sternal angle. So below the sternal angle is the sternal body, and in the lowest portion is the xiphoid process. So remember that your sternal angle on each side, the lateral side, corresponds to your second rib. So this is your clavicle. In between the midline is your mid-sternal line. In between your clavicle is the mid-clavicular line. And take a look, take note of the anterior axillary line, which starts at your anterior axillary fold at this area. So this is the anterior axillary line, mid axillary line, and then the posterior axillary line.
So let's identify the posterior chest. So these are the two scapulas. You have the left and the right scapula. At the left scapula, identify the inferior angle. So the inferior angle of the scapula corresponds to the seventh rib. The same with the other side. So this is the vertebral line. And to determine the scapular line, identify again the inferior angle of the scapula. And that would be your scapular line.